Okay. Now, are we there? Some people have taken off. Some people are off. As we are waiting for them to come back at least to 9. Now, we will with our friend here, Muhimbise. We are saying that the short will die because they no longer have food, because they cannot reach the trees. It means the short-necked giraffes have been selected against because of its unfavorable characteristics. And this one was selected against. Which selected them? What selected them? What caused them?
The environment.
The environment. But
the environment.
The environment. Which factor? Because we have very many factors in the environment. Drought. So drought is our selection pressure. Because it has forced anything, it has determined who to survive. It has selected out. Therefore, we call it selection pressure. Therefore, selection pressure is an environmental factor which determines the survival of an organism in an environment. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
That is what we call selection pressure. Therefore, someone can say what is meant by selection pressure. What is meant by selection? It means I expect people not to be confusing them. There are 3 things. Someone can say, what is selection pressure? Selection pressure. Someone else can say, what is selection only? Another one can say, what is natural selection? All of them are like twins, but the way, because all of them end up with one being, all of them end up, the results are the same. But this one, selection, we said, is a process whereby organisms with better adapted characters are selected for to survive and reproduce, while those ones which are less adapted die. Then we said what we call selection pressure is that environmental factor now which is going to determine who to survive and who to die. Yeah? Then natural selection. Now, natural selection will occur when there is a selection pressure. It means natural selection cannot occur when there is no selection pressure, when there is no that environmental factor. Therefore, what is natural selection? Natural selection is the process or is an evolutionary process where organisms possessing variations or having an favorable characteristics are adapted to the environment, survive to interbreed and pass on their genes to the next generation, while others, have you understood that? Therefore, natural selection is the process by which organisms which are well adapted to the environment survive to interbreed and pass on their genes to the next generation, while those ones which are less adapted or poor adapted with unfavorable characters fail to do so and die in the process. That is what we call natural selection. Nature selects who to survive and who to die. Have you understood that? Eh? Have you understood that? I would request us today to stop on that. Next time we are going to start from what we refer to as types of natural selection. I'm going slow, but make sure you master those things. Now, so far I have taught almost the most important part of evolution. Next time we are going to look at types of natural selection. Hopeful Friday, if all goes well. But I know I will be around on Friday. And we shall look at types of natural selection, How natural selection leads to evolution. Natural selection in action. Natural
Okay, sir.
Yes,
May you help and send for us that PDF?
but that PDF already was put on the website.
Okay.
It's not self-evolution. They are on the website. Go and check them there. They are there. I cannot teach something which is not there. We shall look at
Okay.
natural selection in action. Even now, there are some things which are there existing in the environment showing natural selection. I will go through them and you will know this goes like this and this goes like this. Yes? Eh?
All right.
Yeah. But I hope every one of you has that work, go
Yes.
through it anytime. Now there's someone, I don't know whether he's also putting mini loud for the whole family to learn evolution, I don't know. But next week, the next time we meet, we shall go until on evidences of evolution. Almost we shall have finished evolution. Therefore, for you on the safe side, things are moving on well, and that topic is good, and at least each year they will pick a question from there. Therefore, make sure you understand it well, because this is some of the things which is everyone who can see in the environment and it is taking place. Goodbye.
All right, sir.
Yeah, thank you.